The Wanderers Photography Workshop is not just a place where you enhance your camera skills. It's a place where you put your creative instincts to test and start looking at the world differently. I'm Swarup Chatterjee, a candid and travel photographer from Mumbai, India. While I have been shooting around the world, I'm blessed to have received a number of awards, recognitions and media coverages from within and outside India.
It was very cool to learn what is shutter, what is ISO, what is exposure, what is aperture and stuff like that. Now we know why our photos are so bad.
Camera for us is just a way of expressing. Shutter speed, aperture and the ISO are meaningless unless your eyes are able to compose the frame that you would so love to capture. Photography, as we understand, is all about self-discovery.
I knew a little bit of theory, but I didn't really know how to apply that theory to a practical, and that was a great experience.
At Wanderers, we dream to create a community of dreamers who would love to preserve and explore this wonderful world in all its rawness and intensity. This workshop would provide access to all our participating photographers to a host of educational materials, photo tours, equipment counseling and much more.
The workshop is good, and for me it's like considering that I have a zero knowledge, it's incrementally tremendous.
It's a great learning experience and thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.
I would recommend this for everyone, for all beginners to advanced ages, and you should definitely go for it.
I think there's a lot of commonality between photography and spiritualism. Just like in spiritualism you look within to look outside, in photography it's always a process of self-discovery. Kailash Mansarovar is exactly that spot which makes you believe that. It's a place where Hindus from all across the world visit to express their faith. It's that place which is considered the abode of Lord Shiva. Mongolia, what a country. I'm deeply fascinated by the conquests of the great Genghis Khan. Their sharp features, colorful dresses, just fascinates me. Also the mysterious Gobi Desert. Mongolia is simply a photographer's paradise. Morocco reminds me of the blue alleys, the narrow lanes, the wonderful food, the great dresses, the robes, the overall splendor in general. Morocco is known for its lovely architecture. Some of the best architectural splendors across the globe has been inspired from Morocco. Morocco simply is the place to be for every photographer. The Wanderers Photography Tours have been specially curated to take care of photography needs starting from enthusiasts to pros. These tours are backed by the logistical support and expertise of the Wanderer core team, which have been doing this business for the past 20 years. So come and join the Wanderers Photography Workshops and our photography tours to Mongolia, Morocco and Kailash Mansarovar. See you there.